me tell you about the grill and the way that it arrived to me. Most of it was in a milk crate. A lot of it was smashed flat. It didn't even look like if it was all there. So I get it put back together after days and hours of working on it. Not to mention the bed. With the bed being a foot too short and way too low, I had to section not only the running boards, but the entire side of the bed, and I had to raise it. With a rough assembly of the interior, I was able to take a look at how it was going to come out, finished product. I got the cooling system put in, I got the overflow bottle, everything was up and ready, then I got the lights installed, and I was going to take the thing out for a motocross ride, but we do live in Ohio, so the next day it snowed. That's right, I didn't go, but the dogs love it, and that's all that counts. Today I'm finishing up this 1952 Dodge pickup truck that I transplanted a HEMI Durango chassis on, just like I've done on so many others. If you want to see exactly how it was done, go back, take a look at some of the other videos. But this truck is done, it's loaded, and it's getting ready for a cross-country roadkill style trip. It's going to be amazing. But here, let me at least let you hear it. You can get a little closer look. It's awfully quiet, isn't it? Sounds good. It's got a rough interior. It's ready for the road journey, and they're going to make some changes to it when they get it back home. Gotta love that HEMI power plant. Makes around 350 horse. Cruise works. Everything works. It's ready to go.